Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to access the battery on your Mercedes wagon. This applies to the 2004 to 2009 E-Class, also known as the S211 or the W211 Estate or T model. Follow up to our battery replacement video on the sedan. To get started, you're going to flip the back of the jump seats up and make sure they stay in place. Then flip up the next part. This is usually the bottom of the seats, but we've removed it in our wagon to save some weight. Take that panel off and set it aside carefully. Then
All right, go ahead and
you're going to need to open the next panel, which may be covered by a rug if you still have the original floor mat back there. And this panel is held by a gas hinge that opens up, and there's your spare tire. And there's the battery right there on the right. Pretty easy to get to. Now let's take a quick look at the battery hold downs, which are pretty similar but slightly different than the sedan. Be sure to check out our video on replacing the main and aux batteries. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day.